Well, go on guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and replace this tail lamp right here. The one you're replacing is the one that's on the tailgate itself, or the trunk lid or deck lid, whichever you call it. So let's go ahead and open it. And this, guys, we're working on a Kia Forte. So once your Forte look like this, doesn't matter what year it is, it's gonna be the same procedure. So let's get into it. So we want to get the trunk open. You should know to open the trunk. And what we're going to do is remove these clips. So you can use a flathead screwdriver if you already have one, and a clip puller, and that should go ahead and take it out. So I have a clip puller, so that's what I'm going to use. So guys, we have this. That's how it works. Link will be in the description for this if you want it. This is what it look like. So we're just going to take out the rest of the clips. And then we can just bring this down where we can have access to more screws, which is going to be a 10mm nut right here, and also to unplug it. So you want to squeeze this part right here. Once again, the compressor won't let me be great, but this part you gotta squeeze this part right here, squeeze it, unplug it right there. Then we're gonna get our 10mm to take these off and to take this off. So now we're going to remove the 10mm. So once those are out, kind of take it out just like that. As you can see, it's cracked. So we're gonna get the new tail lamp, or reverse lamp, because they have the reverse in it. And if you want to take your bulb out, you can go through here. So you want to just turn it like this, counterclockwise, pull it out. You want to push down, twist and pull out, push, twist and pull back. That's all you to change that one right there. And for the reverse, counterclockwise, pull it out, pull that out. That's how you would change your reverse. And then you just put it back in. Once it sits flush, you turn it counterclockwise, but you got to make sure you line up the correct tabs for it to go in right. And there you go. So there's no need to over tighten these 3 10mm. So guys, so you can see these have like variable trigger. You can see how slow it goes and how fast it goes. So I didn't really tighten them that hard. So with that said, let's go ahead and clip this back in. The park light should come on. There you go. And then let's try to get the, I won't test it, but the reverse light should work. So that's it for this video, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.